दोस्तों, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एंटिसिपेटेड फिल्म्स ऑफ रीसेंट टाइम्स RRR 7 जनवरी, अगले साल 7 जनवरी को रिलीज हो रही है। और आज हमारे साथ हैं इस फिल्म के टॉप डायरेक्टर SS राजामौली सर और इस फिल्म के दो हीरोज NTR जूनियर और रामचरण। लेट्स वेलकम द ट्रायो। वेलकम टू कोमल नाहटा ऑफिशियल।
थैंक यू सर, नमस्कार।
थैंक यू, नमस्कार।
नमस्ते। नमस्ते राजामौली सर, आपसे मैं पूछूंगा, लॉकडाउन जब शुरू हुआ था तब मैंने आपका इंटरव्यू किया था और आपने कहा था कि ऑफ कोर्स डिले हो गया है वगैरह वगैरह, लेकिन बहुत जल्द हम कंप्लीट कर लेंगे और वो दिन आ रहा है। कंप्लीट हो चुकी है, रिलीज हो रही है। तो इस लॉकडाउन की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा चेंजेस करने पड़े या फिर क्योंकि ये पीरियड ड्रामा है कोई चेंज नहीं करना पड़ा स्क्रिप्ट में?
कोई चेंजेस नहीं है सर, बट वी फाइन ट्यून्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बिकॉज वी हैड टाइम टू a lot of time to do the post production, so we were fine tuning, doing small what do you say, yeah, fine tuning is a word, just taking care of the smaller details. We had
enhancement.
अच्छा, तो यानी टाइम मिला इसलिए अब सुपर ब्लॉकबस्टर की जगह सुपर डुपर ब्लॉकबस्टर हो सकती है।
Hopefully, yes.
राजामौली सर, आप इतने यूज टू होंगे ह्यूज सक्सेसेस के कि और कुछ दिमाग में आता है रिलीज के बाद?
No sir, just before the release of the movie, I am like anyone else, just like the audience. I am also waiting for my film to come out and entertain the audience, and yeah, I'm like anyone else, no different.
मतलब आप नर्वस होते हैं?
Of course, before the release of film, everyone get nervous.
हाँ, everyone is different and Rajamouli sir is different. मैंने ऐसे सोचा।
No sir. See, what happens is when we start the film, we are very confident, and as it progresses, we watch our product again and again and again and again. Sometimes we will be seeing our product like hundreds of times. So it happens that we lose our judgment, of whether it is we lose the, even if you like, there is some sweet that you like, if you eat it again and again, you lose the the sense of it. So likewise, I lose the sense of it. The confidence is there, the same time nervousness is there. So it is both are entwined.
NTR जूनियर, आपकी ये चौथी फिल्म है राजामौली सर के साथ?
जी हाँ, पहला वाला था स्टूडेंट नंबर 1 और ये चौथी फिल्म है सर।
सिम्हाद्री और फिर यमदोंगा और ये। तो इन 4 फिल्मों के दौरान आपने राजामौली सर में कुछ अलग चीजें देखी या ही इज द सेम राजामौली?
यानी कि बदलाव सर?
हाँ, यस, बदलाव।
सर कुछ नहीं बदला इनमें। इनका जो वो हंगर है अच्छी फिल्म बनाने की और अच्छे स्टोरीज दुनिया से शेयर करने की, वो जो हंगर है वो ज्यादा बड़ी हो चुकी है सर अब।
अच्छा।
Well, see, मतलब सर, you know him as a filmmaker, as a director, कुछ बदलाव नहीं है सर। As a friend, as a philosopher, as a guide, he's been many things to me. उसमें भी कुछ बदलाव नहीं है सर। बस ये जो अर्ज है ना सर कि अच्छे स्टोरीज को शेयर करना है वर्ल्ड के साथ। मेरे जो स्टोरीज हैं, मेरे दिमाग में वो जो बोलते हैं ना सर, वो जो एक्स्ट्रा वैगन्स जो इनका ही, आई डोंट नो सर, आई पर्सनली फील दैट जैसे हमारे अमर चित्र कथा is there in our heads, like we have those popular comic books which are there in our heads. I think Rajamouli wants his stories to be like that in our heads, right from I think he wants that to happen, sir. He wants that to become a tradition. कि जैसे सर बाहुबली कितने साल हो चुके हैं सर कि अब कुछ 3-4 साल हो चुके हैं रिलीज होके। लेकिन बाहुबली का फीवर अभी नहीं उतरा सर, दिमाग
नहीं उतरा, बिल्कुल नहीं उतरा, और मुझे नहीं लगता आने वाले 50 साल तक उतरेगा।
डेफिनेटली नॉट सर। और बाद में आ गया RRR और इसके बाद होगा और कुछ, और फाइनल में आ गया इनका फाइनल महाभारत जो आएगा इनका। आई कांट वेट टू सी दैट सर। तो इनका भूख और ज्यादा बढ़ते जा रहा है सर।
वेल, वी कांट वेट टू सी RRR। रामचरण, आप भी उस रिप्लाई से सहमत है? यू ऑल्सो फील दैट आफ्टर मगधीरा which you did with Rajamouli sir, there is no change in him except that his hunger for success and for narrating more stories to the audience is growing?
Komalji, I would cut copy paste on that question. He's exactly what Tarak has defined. And in fact, he is only getting better at everything in scripts, teaching his actors how to get the scene so right. It is becoming more and more precise, more and more precise, more and more detailed. In the social media era, people are pausing and watching in slow-mo. So it is just getting challenging for him, but he has won all the challenges in flying colors. And we are very fortunate that we are working with somebody like that, ताकि हमारा job बहुत easy हो जाएगा. It is difficult on the sets when we are performing them, but on the whole, it is for the convincing our audience and our fans. It's so easy when you have a person who does so much homework for you.
ओह वाओ. अच्छा, आपने इंटरव्यू शुरू होने से पहले कहा था कि आई कांट स्पीक हिंदी फॉर द लव ऑफ माय लाइफ, लेकिन आपने जो आधा सेंटेंस हिंदी में बोला बहुत अच्छा बोला.
Thank you, Komal. Thank you.
दो टॉप एक्टर्स ऑफ द तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वो एक टॉप डायरेक्टर के साथ आते हैं, तो सेट पर माहौल कैसा रहता है? व्हाट इज द एटमॉस्फेयर लाइक? इट्स वेरी चार्ज और ईच वन इज टेंस के मैं ग्रेट हूं लेकिन वो सामने वाला और भी ग्रेट है. टेंशन रहता है माहौल में?
स्कूल में जो हेडमास्टर रहता है और उनकी दो स्टूडेंट्स, वैसे ही माहौल है.
और एनटीआर जूनियर, आप तो स्टूडेंट नंबर 1 है ही.
जी, it's we are very responsibly charged on the set.
Responsibly charged, okay. And
Rajamouli, when you have a headmaster like Rajamouli, he wants his work to happen, and he also wants us to have our fun on set.
Absolutely.
So it's just going to a school, sir. But एक ही डिफरेंस है कि हमारे बच्चे भी स्कूल जा रहे हैं और हम भी स्कूल जा रहे हैं बस.
लेकिन बच्चों के पास राजामौली सर जैसा हेडमास्टर नहीं है. दैट इज द ट्रेजेडी.
एब्सोल्युटली सर. एग्जैक्टली.
राजामौली सर, ऐसे बड़े एक्टर्स को डायरेक्ट करना आसान काम है या फिर बिकॉज दे हैव रीच्ड सच अ स्टेटस और भी मुश्किल हो जाती है आपको?
No, not at all, sir. Not at all difficult because there are stars outside the set. Once they're in the set, they are actors. They are not only actors, they are senior actors. They have worked in so many films by now, and they know their job, what to do, how to approach their job. And learn their lines, get their get-ups ready, prepare themselves as an actor to do whatever they need to do, either in terms of facial performance or bodily acts, whatever they need to do. They're completely professional in that way. So they're so starry tantrums are not at all a part of their life. So on the set there, and on top of that, they both are very close, quite close friends. Before RRR, not because of RRR. Even before RRR, they're good friends, and they have been friends with me. So we are like a family. So there is no sense of difficulty at all.
Sir,
oh, that's interesting.
Sir, I just want to bring a small correction and see my director's face while I'm saying this. राजमौली सर, हमें एक्सपीरियंस एक्टर बुलाइए, सीनियर नहीं. सीनियर से सीनियर सिटीजन का ये जो सीनियर सिटीजन का फील आ रहा है. Please, बस just call us experienced actors, please. We are not that old yet.
Sir,
no. You both are in your 30s.
So the person who is speaking, it's been 20 years since he come to an industry.
But
he came very young. He came very young.
No, that's sir. मैं 17 साल का था. You know, when I did a movie with him, I was 18. तो but बच्चा था sir मैं, और बच्चा ही हूँ मैं. So please, experience is good than calling us senior actors.
तरक मैं एक बात कहूँ, आप 17 साल के थे जब आपने इनके साथ काम किया, पर आज भी आप 16 साल के लगते हैं. You are looking sweet 16. So experience भी सही है.
Is good.
शरण, जैसे राजामौली सर ने कहा कि we were like one family, तो फैमिली के बाहर वाले यानी अजय देवगन और आलिया भट्ट, उन्हें फैमिली में कैसे समाया? How did you all take them into your family?
I mean, probably Rajamouli sir is the only family in India where every single person in his house are on the sets of all his films. I've never seen anybody do any other job. And the minute you enter his set, it's not like a school. Actually, you're entering into his house in where he makes his movies. And that was the same treatment which we got for so many years every time we worked with him. And that was exactly, or even better, because एक मेहमान लोग आते हैं हमारे स्टेट को काम करने के लिए. I think we take care of our मेहमान लोग so well. And Sir and his team, his son, his wife, everybody, they were there to take care of all their needs outside the sets.
Wow. That means he spoils you all silly on the sets.
Absolutely not.
He doesn't. His team definitely spoils us. And he spoils us by giving us great stories and movies later.
सही बात है. अजय देवगन को आप दोनों हीरोज जानते थे पहले से या सबसे पहली मुलाकात सेट पर ही हुई?
As our hero,
and same with Alia Bhatt.
On big screen, we knew him, who we all looked up to. वैसे and Alia से मैं कभी मिला नहीं sir, but I've always been an admirer of both their work extensively. I've seen their movies.
Yeah, Ajay sir, yeah, as Charan mentioned, sir, we've grown up watching his movies. And one thing I've noticed...
Now if Ajay were here, he would say, no, I'm not a senior actor.
Absolutely. But the intensity which he carried...
He brings.
When, like, which was there in his first film, till now, he has that intensity in him. And as Charan said, Alia is a bundle of talent. I think, I always keep saying that she just started scratching it. There's so much for her to explore. And thanks to Rajamouli sir, we had this opportunity of meeting actors from different cultures. And there was a nice cultural exchange. Call it actors from the North, call it actors from England. There was this nice sharing of exploration of cultures. And there was a lot of cross-pollination happening.
सही बात है. अच्छा, राजामौली सर तो हिंदी स्क्रीन पर भी छाए हुए हैं. तरक और चरण, आप दोनों नर्वस हैं कि हिंदी फिल्म गोइंग ऑडियंस इस बार आपको जज करने वाली है और इसलिए नर्वसनेस है? और सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, पुष्पा, हाल ही में तेलुगु फिल्म पुष्पा जो हिंदी में डब हुई है, वो सिनेमाज में, यानी नॉर्थ इंडिया के सिनेमाज में, नॉन साउथ इंडियन सिनेमाज में धूम मचा रही है. डज दैट गिव एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस?
Let me tell you one thing, sir. It's I don't want to segregate the audience or separate the audience as North and South. Okay. Audience का mentality एक ही होता है, sir. अच्छी फिल्म है तो उसको response जरूर देंगे. You have seen that with Bahubali 1 and Bahubali 2.
Yes.
Because we know what happened. And they were just waiting for an opportunity कि ऐसा एक movie आए कि जहां ये वो regional barriers, probably they never said it, or probably I think me as an audience felt it. And now when the regional barriers were broken and everything became one big film industry, there's so much of opportunity. There's choices of watching many films also for them. So I'm not nervous about North Indian audience judging me, because I personally feel that audience's mentality is the same wherever and anywhere across India. They're the same. Now, बात आती है पुष्पा की सर. हाँ सर, डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि ये पैंडेमिक के बाद जो कुछ मूवीज रिलीज हुए हैं सर, every movie is contributing to that one extra audience in the theater to bring back the glory of theater.
बिल्कुल.
Because Suryavanshi has done wonders. Given 50% capacities, I mean, look at the numbers Suryavanshi has performed.
सही.
200 करोड़ कुछ कलेक्ट किया है सर सूर्यवंशी.
196 करोड़.
जी करीब 200 के करीब.
Correct.
और आज पुष्पा जब वो सेम what do you call it, if it's repeating the same thing, it's obviously a joy for us, and it's confident for us. It brings out a lot of confidence for us as actors that there is a lot of space for acceptance.
चरण, आप तरक के आंसर पे कुछ और ऐड करना चाहेंगे?
I mean, he was bang on, sir. It is a very, very tough time that we opened our cinemas, and Pushpa was a breather for all of us. Suryavansh was बहुत अच्छा किया था. I saw the movie and definitely giving us a lot of hope. Definitely, we are looking forward for a much, much bigger and better release on 7th Jan.
राजामौली सर, इस बार आपने एक हिस्टोरिकल बनाई है, वो भी ब्रिटिश एरा की. ये कहानी कैसे आपके दिमाग में आई और बैक एंड फोर्थ हुआ, या एक बार कहानी सूझी और आपने कहा नहीं यही बनानी है?
So first thing is, this is not a historical. This is a completely fictional story based on real life heroes.
Yeah, in that sense, historical, based on real life hero. Yes.
Yeah, real life
historical
heroes,
कहना थोड़ा गलत होगा. Yes.
Yeah, completely fictional, set in
Fictional,
that 1920s, 1920s era. For a long time, I had this desire to bring in two superpowers from completely different timelines or different stories, whatever it is. I like doing that, bringing heroes and joining them together and exploring relations between them. That's a long desire of mine. And when I was just going through the lifelines of Alluri and Komaram, I found so many coincidences in their lives. So, which was very, very interesting. No? They were born at the same time. They left their homes at the same time. They came back around the same time, and they fought against their oppressors in the same modus operandi. No, that was quite interesting. And there was 2-3 years of their life which no one knows about what happened to them. There is no historical reference or nothing. So I took those 2-3 years of their lifetime, and I thought, okay, let's bring them together. Let's bring this fire and water together. Let them explode. Let them explode against each other. Let them explode combinedly against a system. No, I thought that gave me a lot of excitement. That thought. I told that thought to my father, the story writer, Mr. Vijayendra Prasad Garu. Then everything fell into place, like one by one. The storyline was found very quickly within a month or so. But detailing obviously will take time. We always go back and forth on details. Detailing. The detailing must have taken some 5-6 months.
But your father was equally charged when you gave him the story idea?
Yes, he was very, very excited, and he immediately came out with the plot line.
Wow. And then there was no stopping you.
There was no stopping. Once we have that one thought, which we are excited about, basically I'll give it about a week or 10 days time for it to get hooked into me, get it roots into my heart. And then there is no stopping.
Tollywood और बॉलीवुड के स्टार्स का मिक्स करना, ये किसकी सोच थी, आप ही की, या टॉलीवुड में कोई और एक्टर नहीं मिला इसलिए आप अजय देवगन और आलिया भट्ट के पास आए? मतलब what went into signing the Bollywood stars alongside the Tollywood tops?
Sir, along with making films, I will constantly strive to erase those words: Bollywood, Tollywood, Mollywood, Collywood. One thing.
Indian film industry.
Yes, that's what I mean. It's not an easy job, but I'll keep trying. I will call myself an Indian filmmaker. Wow. I'll call my films Indian films. I refuse to be termed in any other way. No, we are Indian filmmakers, and the language of communication might be different.
सही बात है.
That is what we like to do. And when we started casting, the character played by Ajay sir is the soul of the film. That is where the story starts from. And for that character, I needed an actor whose face oozes honesty. No, my requirement is that the audience should feel whatever line is uttered by this actor is truth. He's not telling a lie. He's telling the truth. That is my requirement. So when I asked my assistant directors and the story writing team to write down the names of actors that would suit the bill, the top of list of everyone was Ajay Devgan.
Fantastic! Yeah. Wow.
Some people didn't write any other name. Some people, for everyone, the top of the list was Ajay Devgan. So that's how why I went to Ajay sir. Not because I have an association with him before from the Makki days, or because he's a Bollywood actor, and that will add to the economics of the film. That to hai, that will be there along with it. But but the way is, I will go to an actor who suits my story and the requirement of my film. Likewise, Alia, I have a fire and water, 2 superpowers again. And for my character Sita, I needed someone who can contain these forces, who can. she should outwardly she should look very fragile, very soft, very innocent, but she should have the inner power to combine them both. No, that is how I wanted Alia. I was very, very impressed when I saw Razi with her performance, everything about her, and I thought she is the perfect fit as my Sita.
सुपर सुपर। जब आपकी फिल्म रिलीज पर होती है, आप वैसे तो क्रिएटिव इंसान हैं और आप एक्टर्स भी क्रिएटिव लोग हैं, लेकिन आप लोग फिगर्स में घुस जाते हैं कि इतना करेगी, फर्स्ट डे, फर्स्ट वीकेंड, फर्स्ट वीक, लाइफ टाइम कलेक्शंस, इन सब में आप दिलचस्पी रखते हैं?
Yeah, obviously I'm interested in figures, but I don't go mad about like first day, first weekend, A territory, O territory. That I will not look at. See, obviously my producer has invested a lot of money.
And lot means lot का definition 500 crore. क्योंकि अलग-अलग figures.
500 crore plus is what he invested on the movie, and obviously I'll be looking at figures coming in. First, he should be everyone, either my producer or the buyers or the distributors of my film. So many people have invested so much. So it is not a it's not an entertainment for me to look at the figures. It's a necessity. No, I will be anxiously looking at whether my producers, my distributors, my buyers are getting their money or not. I look at that very anxiously. Definitely, I'll do that.
But हमने सुना है कि producer already profit कमा चुके हैं.
Because see, in South we have the habit of making some pre-sales. And yes, he will make some amount of money, but this time we are also releasing the film in many territories, not just outright sale. So both the things are there.
And Charan और Tarak, आप लोग भी figures में involve हो जाते हैं?
I mean, I'll be lying if I say I don't look at it at all. Obviously, yes. But obviously, I will be waiting for more for कोई आप हमको फोन करके हम कितना अच्छा किया है वो सीन में और फिल्म में क्या high points है. We will be interested to listen to those calls. But of course, from the managers, from the office, we'd like to hear some numbers, great numbers.
No, absolutely, sir. Absolutely. Why not, sir? It's the same thing. I would be lying if I would say no. But for us, at least the first few days, I think it will be more about हमने राजमौली के कैरेक्टर्स में कितना अच्छा हमारा किरदार हमने निभाया और कितना हमने how much have we really achieved as actors, which is very, very, very important. और it's like the icing on the cake, sir. जब केक पूरा बन जाए और ऊपर जो आइसिंग है ना, तो when the figures also come, we'll be very happy. Because when, as Rajmouli mentioned, our producers, our exhibitors, our distributors, people who have trusted on us, when everything goes right, sir, we'll be more happy.
चलिए, इसी दुआ के साथ मैं आपसे विदा लूंगा कि आप तीनों के फोन्स मैसेजेस से भर जाए 7 जनवरी से और आप लोगों के पास वक्त ना हो. You don't have the time. You shouldn't have the time to read those messages and to answer them. Each one praising the film, praising your work, praising Rajamouli's work, praising your performances, and of course, bank balance भी producers के और distributors के इस कदर भरे कि दुनिया देखती रह जाए. Thank you so much for being on the show, and here's wishing all of you the very best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you.